Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Mango Kani Salad, easy homemade recipe, ingredients, and fresh serving tips. Sweet, juicy mango meets tender crab sticks in Mango Kani Salad, bringing a fun twist to fresh Japanese flavors. This vibrant dish balances creamy, tangy, and crisp notes with every bite. It's no surprise that Mango Kani Salad is fast becoming a global favorite on restaurant tables and home menus alike. You'll love how this salad layers together the inviting sweetness of mango with the rich umami of crab sticks, all tossed in a simple, zesty dressing. Whether you're looking to shake up your meal routine or impress guests, this salad brings something for everyone. What is Mango Kani Salad? Mango Kani Salad isn't just a salad, it's a fresh, fun mix that draws you in with its colors and light flavors. Popular in Japanese restaurants but easy to make at home, this dish mixes sweet mango, shreds of imitation crab, kani, crisp veggies, and a creamy mayo-based dressing. You'll often spot it on menus right next to familiar sushi rolls, tempting diners who want something cool, bright, and just a bit indulgent. Brief description. Mango Kani Salad is a chilled, mixed salad featuring thin strips of ripe mango and kani, Japanese for crab stick or imitation crab. These two stars are often tossed with crisp cucumber, sometimes carrots, and a handful of shredded lettuce. Everything gets coated in a tangy and creamy Japanese mayo dressing, sometimes with a splash of rice vinegar or a sprinkle of sesame seeds for extra flavor. This salad isn't heavy or fussy. Instead, it blends sweet, creamy, savory, and tangy notes so each bite feels balanced. The ingredients come together quickly and look gorgeous on any table. Where did Mango Kani Salad come from? The salad's roots are in Japanese Western fusion. Kani means crab in Japanese, and imitation crab, made mostly from white fish, became a staple in Japanese kitchens and sushi bars. Mango, with its juicy sweetness, wasn't originally part of classic Japanese cuisine but made its way into creative, modern Japanese dishes, especially in places like Southeast Asia and the US, where mangoes are plentiful and loved. Restaurants picked up this mix, seeing how well the sweet mango worked alongside the savory, slightly briny kani. The result? A salad that feels both familiar and new. Characteristics and flavor profile. Mango Kani Salad stands out for color. Yellow mango, red and white kani, and green cucumber create a salad that pops on the plate. Texture. Every bite is a mix of soft, juicy, and crisp, refreshing and never boring. Flavor. Sweetness from mango, creamy richness from Japanese mayo, a hint of umami from the crab stick, and a clean crunch from vegetables. A light sprinkle of sesame seeds or thin strips of nori often finish the salad, adding a bit more flavor and flair. Where you'll find Mango Kani Salad. Mango Kani Salad is a go-to starter in many Japanese restaurants outside Japan, especially in sushi bars across the US, Canada, Southeast Asia, and Australia. It's popular for its simplicity, speed, and stunning presentation. Many people now make it at home, using just a few easy-to-find ingredients. It works well as a side, light lunch, or party dish, bridging the worlds of Japanese and Western cuisine with ease. Key ingredients in their roles. Every great Mango Kani Salad stands on its core ingredients. Each item does more than just show up on the plate. They bring out colors, flavors, and textures that make this salad shine. Here's what you need to know about each key component and what it adds to the dish. Choosing the best mangoes. Mango sets the tone for the whole salad. The best mangoes are ripe, sweet, and slightly firm. Think the kind that holds its shape when thinly sliced or julienned. Texture matters. A mango that's too soft will turn mushy and blend in, while an unripe one stays too sour and crisp. Look for these when picking a mango. Color. Vibrant yellow-orange flesh with a fruity aroma. Feel. Yield slightly to gentle pressure, no deep soft spots. Taste. Balanced sweetness with just a hint of tartness. Mango's juicy bite pairs well with creamy dressing and savory kani, lighting up every forkful with bright flavor. Understanding kani, imitation crab. Kani, short for kanakama, is what gives the salad its signature seafood taste. Most stores stock imitation crab in stick form, made from white fish like pollock, colored and flavored to taste like real crab. Why use kani instead of real crab? Accessible. Available in most grocery stores, easy to shred by hand. Taste. Mildly sweet with gentle ocean notes. Not overpowering, just right for salad balance. Texture. Firm, stringy bite that stands up well next to juicy mango and crisp veggies. Kani brings umami depth, making the salad distinctly Japanese-inspired, but keeps it light and new. Use of fresh vegetables, cucumber, carrots, lettuce. Fresh vegetables lead the crunch. Each has a role to play. Cucumber. Cool, refreshing, and slightly sweet. Thin strips add snap and green color. Carrots. Earthy and sweet, shredded carrots blend in natural color and crispness. Lettuce. Works as the base. Choose something tender like iceberg or romaine for fresh crunch without overpowering flavor. These vegetables are more than fillers. They add texture and keep the bite clean and lively, so the salad tastes like a walk through a sunny market, fresh at every step. Japanese mayo and other sauces. Japanese mayo, like Kewpie, is creamy, tangy, and richer than regular mayo. It's the glue that marries sweet mango, mild kani, and crisp veggies. Flavor. Smoother and slightly eggier than standard mayo. Balance. Offsets the sweetness of mango and brings in gentle acidity. Other popular sauce add-ins. Rice vinegar. Adds brightness and a sharp zing. Soy sauce. A small dash for deeper flavor. Sriracha or wasabi. For a bit of kick if you like heat. This creamy sauce keeps all the flavors in harmony and gives the salad its signature coat. Optional add-ins: Tobiko, Panko, sesame seeds. A few finishing touches turn a simple salad into something memorable. Tobiko, flying fish roe. Tiny orange pearls that add pop, color, and a hint of brine. Panko. Japanese breadcrumbs, often toasted for crunch. Tossed on top for texture. Sesame seeds. Sprinkle white or black seeds over the salad for a nutty finish and subtle crunch. You can mix and match these to suit your taste. They add more visual appeal and a fun bite, making every forkful just a bit different. In Mango Kani Salad, ingredients work together the way a good band makes music. Each item stands out, but when tossed together, the salad catches your eye and makes you want more. How to make Mango Kani Salad at home. Turning fresh mango, kani, and veggies into a restaurant-worthy salad is easier than you think. With a little prep and smart assembly, you'll have a dish that pops with color and flavor on your table in under 20 minutes. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you make Mango Kani Salad at home, plus tips on serving it with style. Preparation steps. Start with getting your ingredients ready. Prepping everything before you toss the salad makes the assembly quick and the textures just right. Peel and slice the mango. Use a sharp knife to cut off the cheeks of a ripe mango, avoiding the pit. Score the flesh and scoop it out. Slice the mango into thin strips, about as wide as a matchstick. This helps catch dressing in every bite. Shred the kani, imitation crab sticks. Gently pull apart the kani sticks lengthwise using your fingers. The goal is thin, stringy shreds, which feel light and mix well with other ingredients. Julienne the vegetables. Cucumber. Slice lengthwise into thin strips or use a julienne peeler. Carrot. Shred or julienne for extra crunch and color. Lettuce. Cut lettuce into thin ribbons if using it as a base, or leave it in larger leaves for layering. Prepare the dressing. In a small bowl, mix together Japanese mayo, like Kewpie, rice vinegar, and optional soy sauce or sriracha. Stir until smooth and creamy. Optional toppings. Have toasted sesame seeds, Panko, or Tobiko ready for sprinkling at the end. That's it for part 1. We've covered the basics of making Mango Kani Salad, but stay tuned for part 2 where we'll share some fresh serving tips to make your salad even more delicious. Thank you for watching.